Box cover! Wow! Brad Pitt and Angelina Jolie are officially divorcing. Them a left. Their relationship is finito. Su fe. How am I gonna manage this? Tamar gets kicked from the reel, Donald Trump is running for president, and then now this? How am I gonna just manage? Like, I'm just not care. Okay, so let's get into this story. Okay, so after 12 years together, Angelina Jolie and Brad Pitt are calling it quits. Jolie filed for divorce on Monday, citing irreconcilable differences and is seeking physical custody of their 6 kids, suggesting Pitt gets vegetation rights. I still cannot believe it. Brangelina is no more. They are like legit the reason why we started making names for couples. Kim Ye, Tomcat, Benifer. I just don't know, why would they do this to me? Why would they do this to the world? Like, how am I going to stop crying?
How I'm going to stop.
So in case you have been reincarnated and have no backfoot idea what is going on, let me fill you in like a nosy neighbor. So way back in the day, Brad Pitt, aka a slim built Johnny Bravo,
man, I'm pretty,
dated the young, beautiful actress on the rise, Jennifer Aniston. The couple were married from 2000 to 2005. Box cover! So in 2005, Brad Pitt filed for divorce from Jennifer Aniston. And can you boxfoot guess why?
tell me why.
Because by then, he was in love with Angelina Jolie. Who is Angelina Jolie? Well, way back in the day, Angelina Jolie was a young, sexy Hollywood vixen, aka Miss Tomb Raider. And every boxfoot man wanted to raid our womb. Anyways, so good old wife at the time, Jennifer Aniston, got to make the stupid decision for go send her husband, Brad Pitt, gone all the way to foreign land for go shoot a movie with sexy fluffy lip Angelina Jolie. And that movie was Mr. and Mrs. Smith.
Come on, sweetheart. Come to daddy.
So when the movie wrapped, Brad never want Jennifer Aniston. And that's why in 2005, him left her. My back's foot, when Angelina Jolie laid eyes on Brad Pitt for the first time.
Don't you wish your girlfriend was hot like me?
And in my head, Brad Pitt just see her and step to her and say,
"Hey girl."
So by the time the movie for release, Brad Pitt just dropped divorce papers and tell Jennifer say, bye, bye, bye. And as expected, Jennifer Aniston was hurt. The entire America was looking at her like, oh God, me feel it for her. I would have wished that for my worst enemy. And all she tried to convince herself,
I can have another you in a minute.
One eternity later.
and during those long 14 years, Angelina Jolie was just living it up with the people, them man.
Well, me and Angelina, I'm a Brad Pitt. Wine, me to wine, but I me to wine. Girl, show me the wine where you use that take with the people, them man.
Seriously though, y'all have been together for over 10 years. And you mean to tell me when you finally decide to get married, that's when y'all grow apart? No man, I must obia this.
Obia. Brady.
Brad and Angelina were goals before scoring was a thing. Y'all are like the white Will Smith and Jada. Honestly, truly amazing. Oh my God, it's truly 12 boxfoot years of happiness, charity, love, and more kids than letters in the alphabet. And you do this to me, to the world, to the universe?
I was rooting for you. We were all rooting for you. How dare you?
You were like real life Barbie and Ken. I thought y'all were the perfect couple. Hello? Hey, Selena.
Everything is not what it seems.
I guess you would know. And then again, maybe the love never really did it. It was just all good for business. And if that be the case, we would certainly need a round of applause. Okay, so let me bolt forward to the present. September 2016. So Angelina Jolie said, au revoir to the relationship, leaving Brad empty like a suck-out bag juice. Jennifer Aniston is now married, well, since last year. So just in case you might want to get back your ex-girl, you might have to pull a Jolie and take her away from our man. So Brad, just hear me out. Since you got rid of her with an NSYNC, I thought it would be cool if you used another NSYNC to get her back. Just call her and tell her.
Tell me what to do now when I want you back.
And Brad, Jennifer could react in 1 or 2 ways. Hopefully it's more like,
It's been 6 months, 8 days, 12 hours since you went away.
pull up. Or she could just simply say,
OMG. You done lost your motherfucking mind.
but why did Brangelina end though? They told us many years ago.
Why do you think we failed? Because we were leading separate lives? Or was it all the lying that did us in?
I have a theory. Newly formed.
I'm breathless to hear it.
You killed us.
Provocative.
You approached our marriage like a job, something to be recon planned and executed.
And you avoided it.
What do you care?
Jano. That's it, peeps. Thanks for watching another Dutty Berry show. I am Dutty Berry. Make sure that you like, you share, and you subscribe if you want to follow me on social media. It is at Dutty Berry Show on Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, Periscope, anywhere. Please, do not just leave. Make sure that you comment. Do you think that Brad and Angelina should break up? Do you want them to get back together? How do you think Jennifer Aniston's feeling right now? What do you think about the reasons for the divorce? Comment down below. Alright, until next time.